Well, a long night. I just really want to thank everyone for coming tonight. It seems that if you didn't care about our city, you wouldn't be here. And for whatever reason you did come tonight, I appreciate that there are so many people who care and that are involved. I just want to acknowledge Tony and Bill's service to the city and hope that I can follow in their footsteps. I want to thank a few people. First, my husband Scott and my children Gina, Jesse, and Clay, who encouraged me and stuck with me and helped each time I asked, and I asked a lot, for them to help me in the election, and I thank for that gift of love that they gave me. To Louis Haysack, who was the brain behind my successful campaign, words will never express how much it meant to me to have you believe in me and the way you devoted yourself to my campaign, and also the integrity that you ran the campaign with, and I appreciate it. Thanks. And to Jennifer, thank you for giving me Louis, because I know it takes, that's about what a family is about, you know, the time that you spend together, and so when you're giving it up, I really appreciate that. To Peggy Combs and Chris Crow and Jennifer Ong, who were there beside me, members of the building trades, Matt Maloon and Rob Stoker, who believed in me and helped me. I appreciate that. People who come forward who you don't really know, but who believe in what you believe. Those are things that are very inspirational, and also they make a difference. Karina Lopez, thank you for running a good campaign with me. I appreciate it. I did have to say it gave me pause when I went to Washington Manor and all the signs were out there, but I just appreciate the way that you conducted yourself, so thank you. Larry Alphen gave his sage advice, and Ken Pond donated his time as my treasurer, and Linda Perry also helped. To my friends on the school board and in the district, I'll miss you, but I look forward to working with you. You gave me a good education, thank you. And what I want to say is to San Leandro, thank you for trusting me with your city. A few weeks ago I had the chance to say goodbye to the school and talk about 12 years of the past, and today I'm talking about our days of the future and the future that we're all looking forward to. I think that we want to be a city that offers its citizens a safe place to live and to play and to work, to raise a family and to retire. We want to make sure that we're a city that businesses want to be at and work in and locate to, and a city that maintains its infrastructure. And I will work to make sure that we have employees who feel valued for the work that they do, and that we develop a sustainable budget to ensure our city can prosper. We need to make sure that we maintain our quality of life and the special events that make people want to live here and that make San Leandro the special place it is. I'll work hard for San Leandro, and I want you to work hard right beside me, so thank you.